In front of me is TechnoSpark 20C, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to download your new defaults. When you're ready, go into Devices Settings. In those settings, scroll down to access App Management. Then tap on Default Apps and click on one of those sections that you wish to manage, in my case, Browser App. Lastly, click on your new downloaded one to apply it and go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!